Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've got Romeo here today and we are going to be making Christmas cookies. I've never baked with him before, so I'm really interested to see how this is going to go. So I've got all the ingredients laid out so we can move along quickly. He's already gotten started. Oh! I think we should just jump into it before this becomes a mess. So first we're going to put in the butter and the sugar. So Romeo, can you help mommy? So can you put this bowl, put it, oh, he doesn't like things that are creamy. So maybe I'll do the butter. You're going to use your hands. Okay. Very good. He's not wrong. Yay! We need Daddy on standby to wipe his hands. Okay, so next we're gonna add the egg. It's 1 egg and the vanilla essence. Can you put this in for me? So you hold the bowl and you pour it in. Yay, good job! Okay, ready? Watch mommy like this. How cool! And then we're gonna beat it again. Now it's time for the flour. I know you're so excited about this. It's very soft. We're gonna do it 1 handful at a time. You're doing amazing, babe. Keep going. Can we pull the bowl? Oh, 2 hands. Oh my God. Okay. Good job. Shall we dust your hands? This one too? Good job! Oh, sorry. You did amazing! And then blend it in again. So we have to put this onto the surface. Bring it all out. Good job. Are you hungry? He's going, Do you want to try? So you just go roll like this. You try. Very good. Get a little bit more flour. Can you put some on for me? Good job. You're such a good little helper. I feel like I'm struggling doing this. Pat it down. Got some Christmas shape. Where do you want to put it? Over here? Push. Well done. Can you eat it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Was it good? I don't know.
It's pretty dry.
I feel like I'm just not a chef, by the way. Actually, no. I take that back. I think I'm really good at cooking. But when it comes to baking, I feel like I struggle. But I really want to do this to give Romeo memories. Cooking and helping me. Because I always wanted to help my mum when she made cookies and like cupcakes, and she's a really good baker, and I just did not get that from her, so Beautiful. Okay, we'll do it one more time.
Okay, just follow me.
So we have our cookies here. They're about to go in the oven for 15 minutes and then we can decorate them. Do you want to see? We
Wow,
made those
good job.
together. I'm going to go put them in the oven, okay? I know they're so beautiful. We don't want to break them.
Wow.
Yeah, we'll go put them in the oven.
Yay, good job.
Good job. They're so cool, aren't they?
You did so good, Romeo.
It's so good.
Yeah. Do you want to make some more?
Okay, we got the cookies out of the oven. Now we're gonna decorate them. Romeo is literally so excited, as you can see. Do you wanna pick which one you wanna decorate? First, that one. Little gingerbread man. Okay, so, oh. We haven't even put icing on it yet. I thought that would work way better than
No, you don't. Oh, you're gonna do it.
Beautiful. Hannah, do you want to be in my video? Are you? My sister's here too to judge me. Ooh,
What do you call your decoration, Grace?
it's a candy cane.
Oh, okay, I get it. So everyone
Just
knows
do it
Romeo
exactly
loves
like Mummy
M&M's,
does.
so
Yeah, M&M's are Romeo's favorite
Should we get some
treat.
more ice cream? Hang on.
Ice cream.
Icing. There you go, honey.
the fact he's not eating any of that is like really impressive.
I'm
I'm
impressed.
so surprised.
I'm so surprised.
Look at all
that
these.
I'm so fluffy.
Can't believe he does that.
I'm gonna have to do another Christmas tree because he took mine. Oh my god, why isn't this working? I'm a fully grown adult. I should.
It is zoom into Romeo.
Is that like good? Hannah, do you want to decorate one too? Because
Sure.
I feel like this is really hard.
Right.
And I don't know why it's so hard. Oh, okay.
Doesn't like that.
No, he
that
wants
one
it
belongs
for
on
his-
his. Oh no, he doesn't like what you're doing with it.
Oh, okay. Anna, what would you rate my decorating skills out of 10?
I mean, I think with the like utensils you were given,
You're totally right. I was
Like
given.
I think you were set up to fail. It just didn't
I really was kind of set up to fail, to be honest. The utensils.
I mean, I give it a 10 out of 10 for like your
Effort?
effort. Yeah, but
It does look like Romeo made them.
Well, he
All of
did.
them.
My son's just gonna sit here and eat M&Ms until we remove him.
Some
Some
gold
stars.
stars to start. A lot of gold stars.
The rest of them.
All of them.
I'm not gonna stop his creative. Oh.
Oh. Oops.
I'm going to finish up the video.
It's really good.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make these Christmas cookies. I will leave the recipe that we used in the description because I know I didn't really give you guys much instructions, and they seem to turn out actually really good and yummy. I hope you guys have a good and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Blow kisses. Mwah.
That's the face you want to make. Oh.
I don't want whatever you have on your hands.
Feed mummy.
Bye bye. Mwah.